Introducing the beautiful Kateka Lodge, a wellness and safari experience nestled in the heart of the renowned Timbavati Private Nature Reserve, where tranquility meets luxury. The exquisite rooms are a testament to the art of relaxation, offering an oasis of serenity in the sanctuary of the untamed wilderness. To elevate your experience, Kateka has partnered with Sound Experience to integrate Lutron hospitality automation to create a stunning Sound Experience signature lodge, blending luxury and wellness with technology and convenience. Lutron, a premium hospitality automation brand, allows you to customize and automate your stay to ensure the highest level of comfort. Now, comfort is paramount at Kateka Lodge, and with Lutron automation, they redefine what it means to relax. As a Sound Experience signature lodge, powered by Lutron, we invite you to embark on a journey of wellness and relaxation, surrounded by the untouched beauty of the Timbavati Private Nature Reserve. Kateka, a Sound Experience signature lodge, powered by Lutron.